I'm Richard Thompson. I'm Professor of Marine Biology at the University of Plymouth. We published the first paper describing the accumulation of microplastics in the environment using that term in 2004. What we were showing was the most abundant pieces of plastic in the environment had actually not really been counted, documented, recorded. Very soon it became apparent that microplastics are actually very pervasive and accumulating in the environment. And actually most of the microplastics we were finding were forming by the fragmentation of larger items. And so really legislation to address larger items was going to be important. But we also showed that there were other sources. We showed that there were microplastics in cosmetics, which was known, but no one really understood the scale of the problem. We also showed that fibres from textiles were being released in hundreds of thousands every time you did your washing in the washing machine at home. Some items of clothing were releasing fibres 5 or 6 times faster than others. It was the design stage where we could make an intervention. Both those pieces of work have informed policy. What we're now looking at is an additional source, the particles that are generated when you drive your car or a lorry on the road. Those fine particles of tyre dust are also entering the environment in very big quantities. But is there a way to design tyres in a manner that the tyres will last longer, they'll generate less particles and will reduce the emission to the environment? Or is it possible to design better ways of capturing those particles once they're released from the tyres as you drive along? And that's a key part for the environmental science to help industry to design products that are fit for purpose but also fit for the environment of today and for tomorrow.